Nearly 3.7 million YouTube videos are uploaded every single day, but only a few of these 3.7 million videos outperform and get millions of views. And today, I'll be sharing with you 5 of the many techniques that YouTubers use so as to catch your attention. But before I tell you the 5 secrets, this is the thumbnail of a video, an image that gives us the first impressions and tells us what the video is about. Creators use contrasting and bright colors like red, orange and green to catch your eye's attention. Now, once they have your attention, they build curiosity in your mind. This can be done by adding expressions or big numbers on the thumbnail and title. There are many other ways too. These are just 2 of them. Then comes the title. Writing a good title is a skill. The creator has to tell the viewer what the video is about, build curiosity while keeping the title short. A good title does not require length or complicated words. If the viewer is satisfied by the title and thumbnail, the chances are they'll click on it. Next, we have the intro of the video, which indeed is very important. Once the viewer clicks on the video, the creator has to match the expectations that the person had for the video when he looked at the thumbnail. After that, it's all about the video, making it interesting and making the person watch till the end. It's all up to the creator. If the video is engaging enough, probably the person would watch till the end, just like you have did right now.